Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this section I am going to show you something special, that how to disassemble the phone battery. Nowadays what happened, the battery is fixed with the phone, so it is so tough and difficult to disassemble. Sometimes what happened, it will be blast if you don't know how to open. Let's see how to make it. Here I have a phone which was broken in an accident, and I want to say something that while opening this, be careful, otherwise this battery will be blast. Here we have some screws to open the case. One, second one, third one, and at the bottom, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and here one hidden screw will be here. Yes, finally here. Let's open this. Finally, we have unscrewed all this and take the bottom of the panel, slowly pop it up. Yes, here the bottom of the battery, you can see this. Yeah, yes, finally we take it out. I forgot to take these SIM cases. It is must to take it out, otherwise it will be stuck. Okay, slowly open this. Yeah, here you can see, after taking this, you should have to just unplug it. Yeah, finally we got the battery. If you want to reassemble a new battery, just plug these pins in this holder and fix it, and fix it back, screw in. Just thank you. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. One of my subscribers over she had remember me to tell about bell icon. Thank you.